Welcome back, everybody. Friday session, last day of the week, and hopefully a good end of the week. Not that much for me because I'm not really trading that much these days, but for you guys that you are trading every day, yes, that is a bit of a problem for you. I'm gonna right now share the video in Discord for everyone for the Friday session, and let me get the group of people. Everybody live on right now. Send. So let's see. I think today should not be any problems because I'm very close to the router and I should not have any problems of internet. So let's start putting first the opening print level of today. That is this one here. We're already quite late. Market pushed strongly from yesterday. Oh my god, what a freaking... Yesterday we had an amazing read of the market, and right now we are flying. We're flying, guys. Yesterday we did amazing. So right now we're taking pre-market high. Are we gonna come back right now and try to get some points to the low side here? Good chance. Good chance. We're gonna check the daily chart. Daily chart. Oof. That's insane. That's insane, by the way. We're cruising all-time highs since days, and we're right now liquidate the pre-market high. Maybe looking for coming back a little bit, and then continue higher. Let me get my PA, is already there. Yesterday we made money from it. I want today scalp it with the free contracts in micro. The first hour. We have the opening print level. I would love to scalp it in a level that will give me some 10 points to charge. I will get the 10 points. Take profit will be 40 ticks. 42 ticks if you're looking for the commissions of the macro contract. I don't care. 40 ticks as a 10 points exactly. Even less. Don't like to get the 10 points exactly, like the 39. Yeah, the crazy candle here before 9:30 has been, this is insane. 3-minute chart. What the heck am I doing here with the 5-minute? A 1 hour chart I want to check before. 1 hour chart. Yeah, look at that. We took the highs and it's coming back to the lows. It's kind of in a predictable way, kind of. I can start to short. If it bounced to come at 290 and more, welcome Hope. What's up? How are you, man? It's been a while. I've not seen you on the channel. Where have you been? Mufti, good morning. Is everyone late or it's me that is late? What are you doing, guys, on a Friday? What are you doing? You should be here full time. I've been on vacation. Oh, you did well. Where are you? Watching you, Fayyaz. How are you, Fayyaz? It's Friday, guys. It's Friday. Friday is the day you try to don't screw up the week. That's how it works. Even a short here, I will take it on a 3 points, to be honest, here. Good morning. Everyone is coming right now. Well, like for first 5 minutes, no one was here. Alfonso, wait, I have to say it in Portuguese. Bom dia. Bom dia, no? Alfonso? Mohammed, passing evaluation is so hard, man. You thought it was easy, but that's the point. My advice, my friend, is treat your evaluation if it is a funded account. Because if you're not able to get your funded account, your evaluation trading normally, when you get to funded account, you're gonna blow up money. And activate a funded account, it's more expensive. So my advice is treat it as if it was a PA. Oh, I didn't get my fill there on the short side, but I still like it. You lost 3 evaluations? Man, so slow it down. Let's wait. I have to do one thing. I'm back to speak about what you are doing. So you have to think about risk management. How much you're risking on a trade, how much you're risking on a day, and decide if you should take and use it like that. And use it like that. You really have to trade your funded account if it was up here. I can pass evaluation, but I can't pass funded. That's the next point. But my advice really is treat your evaluation if they were funded. Hope. The point is, are you treating your evaluation if it was a funded account? Hello, Jose. Because if you're doing that, then you have to just replicate the same things on your funded account, if you think about that. But if you're gone putting a lot of contracts, not caring, making big money, you know, it gets to like, oh yeah, I passed it just because I was YOLOing. Uncommon. I'm very chilling in this period. Chilling. Not training heavily. I would usually do, for example, right now I'm with one PA, then I would pass to the next PA, scalping it for 10 points. I did not get filled again on my 80s. What the heck? I feel, but that's the point, Hope. That's the point. That's something, that's what you have to realize. You're treating your evaluation without caring. I kind of understand, because you are not, it's an evaluation, right? There is no reward on it than just passing it and get a funded. Instead, with your get a funded, the reward is you get paid. So there is the stress of money-wise, right? But that's the point. If you start treating your evaluation if it is a funded, then you pass this technique and emotion-wise as well on your funded account. Looking for a remote job. Thanks for the advice. You work in the tech field. Kind of, not kind of. I was working in the tech before. I still like the short idea because we didn't grab any lows. So let's see. But yeah, I work full remote. I work for Apex, just to let you know. I work for Apex. So we're gonna get filled in these free contracts. Okay, we're out. I very like this one. What's a good entry level job I should look into? What is your expertise? And when I speak about the expertise, it doesn't have to be your degree. You work for Apex? I work for Apex. Yes, everyone knows it here. I work for Apex. Yeah. And for some people, it's a surprise. Like, oh, you work for Apex? Can you check my ticket? No, I cannot check your ticket. That's working for Apex, by far, best company ever. By far. Literally. But you can look at the website and in the bottom there is career. And if they're looking for job position, there is a job position there. More than a year. It's been since April last year. So it's April, May, June, and now July, 1 year and almost 4 months. What the heck? And Jose knows it well because when I was speaking with him, I was like, "Yo, man, I got a job. I got a job with Epix." I still remember. Just check in the website. At the bottom, there is career. They pay well. They treat you well. They are a great company. Really, 100% Epix. It's the best company I ever worked for. No worries at all. And there, you know, there is other companies as well. You can apply for Apex or other prop firms. They always hire, I think. So you can always look for job position in every prop firms. When you're a trader, you know Rithmic, you know Tradovate, you know the platforms, you know, it doesn't mean you know how to trade, I mean, you know how to make money, but you know how to read the chart, you know how to, what is a common issue. That is enough to get a possible job as a customer support or anything like that. So you can like look in Apex, you can look in whatever other platforms. That's my advice. I was born in Morocco. Born in Morocco, but I grew up in Italy. Yeah, Afonso. Yeah, Afonso. I'm looking for the low side. My idea is to get free scalps. Free scalps, maybe four if I see the market really pay me off, but that's all. If I do know Spanish, I know a little bit. I can handle a little bit, but that's all. I'm in Spain right now. I was in Latin America before, so yeah. But that's my Spanish is limited. I can handle basic conversation. Where are you from, Uncommon? Because we spoke before. I don't remember where you're from. Yeah, man. Where is Mufti? Mufti probably has already taken a trade. Who took a trade right now? Hablas un poco. Sí, sí, un poquito, sí. Okay, it's gone against me right now. So the short idea is not, but I still like the idea that we can play around this range. You took one short. Was it good? I mean, one MNQ, but if you took 40 points or 30 points, that's 70, $80. Above here, it's my flattened position. Shorted at 23, 291, 200. Wow, that's a beautiful, almost 40 points there, man. Yeah, uncommon, I understand you. Man, I overtraded, not overtraded now, but I had the difficult period last period. Amita, I'm sorry, man, what happened? Tell us more. Tell us more, my friend. Share so it can help you as well. Let's see right now because it's not coming back, but still I like it. I think it still can come back. My out is 310, 300. It means a loss of with 9 contracts. It's a loss of $450, but I made up, so it's gonna be $400 on the day on this account. Yeah, I'm putting on the microphone and off because there is other people, but because right now I'm connected to the Starlink is here close to me, I switch off and switch on the microphone because there are people around. Looking for the short. I'm looking to get to scalp a little bit more on the short side here. That's what I'm looking for. What did you do, Alfonso? What did you? Which trade did you take? If you, that's the way. Oh my God. Okay, I think it took TP. What the fuck was that? Yes. What the fuck was that? That is the correct way to freaking explain this shit. Wow. I hope you were short, Mufti. Oh, you God. Thanks God, man. Thanks God you were short. I moved to a different account right now. Check in Discord, check in Discord. That was beautiful short, man. That was beautiful. Sorry if you're gonna hear a lot of background. Does the background of other people, are you hearing them a lot? That was insane. And Mufti the cat took his 2 shorts and he's done on the day. Are you done, Mufti? Mufti is using the crazy candles. How are they called, Mufti? The candles are you using? Renko candles. Man, you have taken 2 trades. You're up. How much are you up? Just to curiosity. If you to be honest, with the other account, I'm done. I taken 3 scalps and they worked even more 4 scalps, and they all worked. I'm done. I'm done on that account. I moved to a new PA right now. Let's see how it works. What is your idea, Mufti, if you can explain it and you want to share it? What is your idea when you short? What is the signal and what is, I guess your take profit is the low, the next low. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm sorry. Alfonso, just read your message. They should join the call. That was insane spike. It was 50 points, 50 points, 40 point spike, 40 point spike. We're breaking the lows. We're getting to the low side. And let's see, because right now, yesterday we pushed a lot. So look, you can see here, we don't have that much in this area. But all these lows and this pre-market low, it can be interesting. Nothing in Discord? No news in Discord that came out? Let me check Discord. At 9:45, a little change. What was the time? The things 9:51. Yeah, nothing else still came out. 10 a.m. already. Ten a.m. is in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Honestly, I can start looking for maybe aggressive scalp buy and out if it breaks the lows. In this account here, I can try to do 160, 60. Let's see, I give it 50. I'm gonna just give it the 60 and the 50s as a buy. Just buy on this support and this 50 minutes range holding. Then I'm gonna call myself out on this. Not over leveraging on it. Be back on Monday. Tomato, hope you're doing well, my friend. I hope you're doing well. No matter what, I hope you're doing well. That everything is good on your side. What the heck? There was the 10 a.m. news? No one told me? There was a 10 a.m. news? Ah, I forgot about the news. We did, you did. It's my fault. It's my fault. I forgot. My fault, guys. I mean, at least we took the win. Wow, that's insane spike. How many points were there? I was a 33-point spike. Yeah, and look at right now, we're still inside the 50 minutes range. Look at that. This is the first 50 minutes candle is this one. No, what is, yeah, this one here. So we're still inside the 50 minutes range. Damn. I think many people liquidated their account there. Look at that wick. Look at that wick. I have to update one tower. It's asking me for weeks to update. Nick, did you take any trades or not yet? Now we're having some interesting situation here in. Is it this one of the things I see? Or is it this one? Ah, sorry. Sorry, I have not seen your message. Choose small losses and done. Okay, that's good as well. It's Friday. We don't complicate our life on Friday. I feel that. Yeah, okay. Only minus 1 hour is good. No, it's great, I would say. That's great. I'm looking what is the idea here. It's still on this 50 minutes range on the lows. still looks it wants to come back. But did it take the highs? Not really, to be honest. I mean, yeah, this is. Oh yeah, that's the 50 minutes. What the heck am I doing? Oh, that means this is not the 50 minutes high. The 50 minutes high is here. Oh, here. Oh, we still go for lows then. As well, one hour is good, my friend. 1 hour is good loss, guys. Loss is good. The beauty of losses, guys, is that I always say it is delayed gratification when you respect them. Because when you respect them and the next day you make money, you're very happy with yourself. You get a gratification on the fact that you respected your loss and you didn't make it bigger. But on the day, there is no gratification rate. On the green day, there is quick gratification, you made money. On a red trade, there is delayed gratification. On the next day, in the next 2 days, you're gonna catch up back quick on the money and you're like, thanks God, Friday, I respected my loss. Let's go, Nick. I like you're continuing improving there. I like that. I don't really have any issues with that rules. Well, which issue? No. You know, I was just speaking in general, by the way, about losses. I like to give some psychological lesson time to time. I don't know. Yeah, that for me, hitting a max loss and not calling it and not calling it, I think it's a long time did not happen. Such a long time. I don't even remember last time I hit more than a max loss. I don't remember. It's crazy. It's crazy. See, that's the funny things here. We bounced. Many people were buying thinking we're gonna bounce, but the fact is that we already took the highs and we didn't take any freaking lows. I don't remember you doing that, Hamza. I really, Mufti, I don't remember neither. Once I hit the max loss and I went above. I don't remember. We're too good on that. We're too good. That's why I don't buy PAs every day. Yeah, same as Unique. 9.5, 11, it's what I trade. 2 trades. I mean, max loss. That's what at least with the strategy before, it was 2 trades, max loss out. It was a 2 hour losses. 1 hour for me was $200. Right now I'm changing. I like the scalping I did yesterday. I like the scalping I did today with the other account here. Shorted again, take the 10 points, shorted. This was my last ad. If I was gonna get stopped out here at 305, would have been a $400 loss on the day. That's on the max loss that I have. And instead, it came back, it took my other take profit, it was 4 scalps in total, and I made, I believe, $221. Because commissions gets adds up in this case. It's micro contracts. Why were you short? Because we took the highs. We took the highs here. All-time highs, we took it. And the idea, we're below the pre-market and we wanted to come back and take some lows. So I was just shorting it here on this area. And if instead it was going back above the opening print level and looking to get even more highs, then I was gonna call it out. That's the idea I had on my short. And then the idea of which I scalp it the round number 70s, 80s, 90s. That's it. The 10 points on NQ. But today only took 1 trade because, yeah, you come back, your accounts are there, your accounts are alive. You know what is the worst things ever? Is that when your strategy is not paying, you blow up, and Monday the strategy turns and starts paying you, but you don't have any more accounts. That hurts. That hurts. because you get so much foam on your blood. But instead, if you manage today, Monday you come back, the strategy is paying, you go back easily. Yeah, it's a bit of a annoying situation when you do that. It happened. I remember, guys, with the was not the 50-minute strategy. Before that, me and Jose, we were trading the break of the 1 hour in ES using the 10-minute chart as a stop loss. And I remember I was taking losses for a week and a half. Taking losses. I was close to blow up, and I was like, Jose, this shit does not work. I'm gonna move to something else. I did something else, no backtesting, whatever. I blew up the accounts. And the day I decided to change, I think we got from that day to ahead, like consecutive green trades that brought me to green and more. I was like, fuck. Really, trading takes you to the next level of mental stress. Mental stress. Today I got a micro SD for my DJI. 250 gigabytes of space. Yeah, man, Mufti. Oh my God. Yeah, you just. I mean, if trading was simpler, everyone would do it, right? Instead, we're here fighting, learning every day. It's interesting. By the way, I cannot say names, I believe. I don't want to say names, but these things of the 10 points was a guy. I spoke with this guy that got $1 million payout in Apex, and I remember it was more than last 1 year ago. And he told me use the 10 points on Nasdaq and look for a few points scalp depending on how much volatility you have. And he was doing that, and he got $1 million payout with the Apex. Then Apex blocked the DCA, so you're not allowed anymore to DCA. So with this strategy, I managed to get a payout or 2 payouts. I remember I got 1 or 2 payouts doing 10 points. Then DCA block came from Apex. We're like, look, you cannot. Now DCA is allowed, but you cannot lose more than 30% of your in a 30% in an unrealized position. So what I'm doing right now is following the rules. So I can DCA, but I have to cut my loss I'm gonna cut my loss anyway. Not more than $450 on a day. So what I'm doing is all respecting the rules. I'm allowed to do DCA. I have still better 1 to 5 risk reward, because even if I lose $400 here, what I made was $220. It's a 2 to 1 on the risk in a general factor. But I should have more green days than I should have much more green days. I disagree. I disagree with that, and I tell you why. I disagree with that, and I tell you why. Because I'm not doing it in a stupid way like Alpine does. Alpine does shorts here, 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 minus $2,000. I come back, it's positive. The account is not blown, but the rule is fucked up. I don't do that. So my idea is on these things is I'm gonna risk $450. That is my max loss on the day. So if I don't read correctly the market, I'm out. I'm out around this area. That's something you will do even with your real money, just risking much less, because if it's funded, I risk more. If it's not funded, I will probably go to, let's say, 1% of the account. So if I risk 1% of the account, then here would have been maybe, let's say, let's say 2% on the account on a 100K, on a 100K is 2K, something like that. Just do an example. This is an example. The profit target depends on the how much volatility we have on the day. If I start at 9.5, I can look for 10, maybe 15 points on each scalp. Depends on the volatility. Because if I say that this is $400 loss, then I would like to scalp on a way that to make at least 200, 250 if I come out with 3-4 scalps. No, for example, his last payout got rejected by Apex, by the way. He got rejected because he lost a lot and he come back on it. That's he broke the rule of 30% and realized. My colleague, that is Luca, yesterday, he requested a payout and he works for Apex. And last week he broke a 30% and realized he was down 1,800 and he came back out from it. Yeah, of course, that's speculation. That's the idea. I'm not telling you that it works. I'm just speculating. But that's kind of the idea. But of course, you can decide, okay, today is a very rangy day. Today is a very rangy day. Let's say it's a rangy day and you're like, I want to play a few more scalps. Maybe you don't make $250, maybe you make $300, $400. Boring PR, no chance that works in real money accounts. Maybe it does not work. For me, I believe it works because it's a matter of you respecting the laws. That's it, and it does not have to be $400 of a loss every time. Let's think about your scalping here, and you made 2 scalps that are correct, 2 scalps that are correct. You come back here, then it's not anymore $400 loss. It becomes maybe $300 loss because you already got 2 scalps that were winner. Oh, by the way, I have to clean the chat. Sorry. By the way, this fix is going down as hell. It's a good chance we're gonna get all this space. Oh no, we're testing these highs right now, but still. I still believe it can work on. I still can believe it can work on personal money. Honestly, imagine that if it works on props, why it should not work on real money? If it works in props, why it should not work on real money? And with risk management, I'm speaking about. No things of getting payouts. I'm not the guy that tell you get to pay out, blow up. No. Which is fair, like it's a game, of course, but I can see so many trading things get paid out in fun. I get your point, but that's not what I mean here. I'm not trying to do that. For me, it can still work in real money. You get one payout, 5 counts. Yeah, but that's not what I. That's not what I mean. I don't want to blow up 5 accounts to make one to pay out. I want to get all of them to pay out. And doing it with correct risk management. I'm not gonna make $1,000 on a day. I make $200, $300 on a day. If I hit a loss, it does not have to be a max loss every day, because you can make some money and cut your loss in advance if you say the market does not right. Max loss is a max loss. It does not have to be max loss every day. No worries, Nick. We're just speaking. It depends on the win rate. It depends on the win rate. Yeah, no, that's what I will never be angry with one of you if we have different ideas. That is the beauty of trading. That is the funny things, you know. Every time last time Nick told me liquidity grab of these things, and I had to draw 3 lines, and I still didn't get which line he meant. So imagine that if we see the charts with different type of eye and different type of levels and everything, the ideas can be different. That's the beauty of it. And that's what I always say to people. Don't put anger on people that have different ideas of you. Your way of trading is his way of trading, and your way of reading the market is his different way of reading the market. And if he's making money, don't go and tell him he's not able to trade. He's freaking making money. It's 1% of the people. Yeah, just a conversation. Made some trades, tomato. Oh, yeah. How the freaking hell you get slippage in positive? I never get slippage in positive. Only once I got slippage in positive, me and Mufti the cat, because the news was so big that our take profit was not created in time. What are you trading, tomato? A funded account or whatever? By the way, the 15 minutes break, it worked here on the 15 minutes range, by the way, here. It's a less than 1-to-1 risk reward. It's a 0.8 risk reward there, but it worked for at least, sorry, for the 50%. The combine. Combine is the evaluation of topstep, right? It's time to come back. It's time to come to Apex. I mean, if you don't want to trade with WealthChart, trade with Tradovate, with Apex. And you can trade in TradingView. My PI accounts on Apex, I can't access due to two-factor authentication. It's one of your tickets. Well, tell me what you did, because I would like to understand what is your issue, Tomato. Let's speak in Discord, because that is one issue we're getting sometimes. I just try to understand how this 2FA issue comes on your side. Okay, it's different. So you want your 2FA to be reset. Yeah, then yeah, if you create a ticket, they will take you to ask you some questions just to confirm it's you, as it should be, and then they will reset your two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication. Is it? Wow, the market today is insane, or is my internet is slow? I have six seconds delay. Create a ticket. Thank you, Hamza. You're welcome, man. Create a ticket and it will be solved for you, man. We should get you very quick. What do you think, guys, is gonna happen for the next few hours? Because for me, it looks like we're gonna go down for a while. We're testing this level of area at 100 or 200 levels. You lost your, oh, Mohammed, you have to use them as your funded accounts. You took the short and common. Very good job on that short. See you Monday, Afonso. You did amazing to call yourself out. You are still alive. It's a beautiful weekend. The weekend is coming for you. Slow grand to lows. I think as well. With fair value gap. The fair value gap. Where is the fair? I'm very ignorant in this. The fair value gap was this one. This was one, right? And this was the other one here on the 3-minute chart at least. So how do you take, like, for example, in this case, you will take a short here, stop loss at this candle here, and at the lows, something like that, 2.6. See you, brother. See you, Afonso. Buenos días. This means is crashing, guys. If you were short, you made the right choice. Luckily, I didn't decide to buy anything here. Usually, in a good old times, I would start buying because I'm thinking this is gonna be a retest. But in reality, we have nothing here. Probably the real retest will be this one. These are here at 150s. Could have been some scalps here on the short side, but yeah. Which was the fair value gap you were looking at uncommon? Which level? Which level? And remember, guys, the code is always the same one. That's my name. You're using Apex. Thank you so much. Oguzan, where are you from, Oguzan? Oguzan, if I'm saying the name correctly. Long here, what is your stop loss? Let's do it. I will put something here for you. I'm gonna remove these things. What is your stop loss? What is your take profit? Stop loss will be the low. Take profit will be No, Mohammed, go slow, my friend. Freaking go slow. It's Friday. You don't have to. You don't have to do crazy things today. And take profit. Yeah, one tick. Yeah, we can evaluate one tick. Yeah. Playing game. What's up, man? Welcome. Yeah, I trade Nasdaq only. I think I'm done on the day. I've taken some scalps here. I'm changing my way of trading a little bit every day by day until I found where I'm confident and I'm happy with it. If you're short, you're making bank today. Seems that the shorts are killing it. Oh, but Oguzan is long. I have his trade there. One tick below the lowest candle. Yeah, by the way, this is, I don't know what's right now. I'm so close to this. I'm so close to the Starlink, and still the Starlink, the connection is not good. It's insane. Absolutely insane. I still have 1 week in Ibiza, and then the week after I'm in Valencia. So my connection will be much better, guys. So we're not gonna have any more this kind of problems anymore, hopefully. Yeah, man. Yeah, spending too much money, to be honest. Spending too much money. I should go back home and spend 6 months where I just save money every month to buy something at the end of it. Instead, I'm like traveling full time. You have 2 huge dogs, man. Not even 2 little dogs. Because 2 little dogs, you can manage to travel with them. But 2 big ones. I did 30. Oh, wow. That's 37% is a lot. What is the little things you, what is the things that you spotted if you want to say about it? You don't have to if you don't want. While the stop loss is tight, I don't expect the big profits. I use stochastic exit when I take profit. So you mean that you like evaluate how the candles moves? Sorry guys, 2 big dogs are tough to travel with. Yeah, impossible. It's really hard. It's really hard. I guess the easiest way is leave them to someone for the days you leave. If not, it becomes really too complicated. Oh. Okay, so let's go, Nick. Nick is ready. Nick is ready to type. Yeah, yeah. if our backtesting data were the same as forward testing. No, forward trading. I will take profit at 237.75. 37.75. I'm gonna put that. Yeah. Let's see. For the moment, your trade is in green position. Wow, that's insane. 87%, 87.8% win rate is insane. It is insane. Insane. Ah, yeah, my back hurts. 87.8% every 5 trades and a half. No, more. What the heck am I saying? Every 8 trades and a half, you have one losing and a half trade. What the heck? Next step, don't take off alpha to 1 to R, hold full to 2 to R, and move stop loss to break even. This is a 71% win and is, we like that. We like that. 62 R is even more. So move the stop loss to break even. Close the position. So you're closing it in break even. Break even position. No worries, Mufti. No worries. After, we are much less people in this period. I believe for the connection, we lost quite a few people in these days. We were back to 20 people today, but usually we round around 20, 25, and then we are back to 30. But since these days in Ibiza where we are just losing connection each time, people leave. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's, each one of us has a way of trading, Guzan. I love trading because of that. Someone can come to you and say, look, I make money by just entering long every 30 minutes candle. And then you tell him, what the fuck, are you stupid? Nothing simple that can work. And he's making millions. Answer doesn't like me. Third position. So final step, because at 1 to 1 it goes to 2 hours so often, I'm going to double my position, move the stop to first entry. So I know I have double position. Stop is 1 to R, but target's not 3 hours. I have 2 hours and plus 1. What? Wait, so final step, because at 1 to R it goes to 2 hours, so that okay. So it gets to 1 stop loss, entry, 1, 2. I'm going to double my position to stop to move to stop. How do you have, when you double your position? At 1 R, you double your position? I don't understand when you double your position, and I don't understand when you move your stop loss. Tomato, have a beautiful weekend, brother. Very good job for today. You took your trade and you called yourself out. Process, my friend, is more important than process is winning. Profit is not winning. Winning is not profit. Process is winning. Remember these things, guys. Risking to 90. At 110, I had to double position and move stop loss to 100. Okay. Target is 120. Okay. So if it goes back to break even, you're losing some money from the position you added. You're break even for the, you're losing 0.5 R if it goes back to break even. But if it goes to TP, you are free R. So your break even becomes 0.5 R and your take profit becomes free R. Yeah. So break even is not anymore break even anymore, but is minus 0.5. It's minus 5. No. Oh, 1 R. Yeah, what the fuck am I doing? You lose 1 R. And TP is free R. Yeah. And that gave you 80. What the fuck? Where did you read it? Where did you write it? 86.36. Wow. Ooh. Oh my god, sorry. And your entry is always the same. Fake out and break of the candle, the opening candle that broke. 70% win rate is a lot. Is a lot. Is a lot. Ooh. Because anyway, you're still. Yeah. I see. No, I see your point, my friend. I really see your point there. So let's say, for example, on a trade like, I'm just putting something random. So don't take it too serious. Yeah, no, I like it. This is a good example. So this is a flag. It broke. This is the candle that broke. We're gonna enter short at the opening break of the candle. We're gonna do it short like here. Put the stop loss below the breaking of the candle. This will be, we'll go to true R. Somewhere here. And then at half, we add +1 and break even. And we look for the take profit here. Tell me that I did not show it right away. Yeah, man, Nick, it's always like that. No, I really love your, honestly, I really love your trading idea. And I usually, but I really love your trading idea. You know, this is a fake out, come back, break of the candle body. I like it. Short idea, add into the position, stop loss to break even. Even if this stop loss would have been on a risky situation, but long, it's my last trade today. Stop loss at 3192. Oh my god, I want to check this. Long at 2305. Stop loss at 192. And what is your take profit? Or you don't have a take profit? No, not exactly. I was so sure that I was getting correct. I was so sure that I nailed it, to be honest. I was like, I nailed it. This is how it trades. What the heck is today? 18. Okay. Oof. Let's see. What is your take profit, Mufti? Or you don't have a take profit and you go on the vibes? Oh, sorry guys. I'm gonna get a monster after this. Drinking a monster. I have to make a video as well. 23250. 23. Oh wow, your TP3, it's the 23250. Okay, my friend. Hopefully it goes to TP. Would it mean the high for? Okay. Sorry, it was here. The fuck? Where did I? Here. Your stop loss would have been here. So your TP, your 1 to 2 would have been somewhere here. So add into position would have been somewhere here. Yeah, Stop loss to break even. After this, would have not touched anymore. I see. I like that. I really like your trading idea, to be honest. I really like your trading idea. I really do. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry guys. Stop loss to break even from Mufti as well. Mufti, do you put your stop loss in break even plus 1 tick if it's a mini, plus 2 ticks if it's a macro, or break even exactly? At TP was 29, yeah. Where did I put it here? 281. I put 281. How the heck you say 291? If you say this is the high, this is 1 to 2 risk reward. 1 to 2, a little bit less, but it should be at 90s. Yeah, 81, 82. Oh, I'm blind. No, that is 82. Ah, you're saying add. Sorry, man. I'm sorry. The ad you're speaking about. Yeah. 20 points. I moved to break even. No, I mean no. What I mean is, where do you put your break even? You put it 1 tick, 2 ticks above your entry, and beautiful. Also, Oguzan, you are good in your entry here. Okay. I like your I mean, I like you guys. You're trading very well. Your ideas are correct. Hopefully, we're gonna make money very soon. Nick, ideas of faking out. It's beautiful. Today, not much. There were not that much fake out today, to be honest. Unfortunately. Yeah, 1 tick above. Yeah. Guys, I have to go, but it was a pleasure today. I really enjoyed it. Much better internet. I'm sorry for these next days, guys. I'm doing my best, but there is not much to do. We should have 1 more week like this, and then I'm moving to mainland, and we'll have a better internet and nothing like that anymore. We'll keep learning and testing and chatting and improving, and at the same time, guys, I wish you the best. See you on Monday. I'm gonna upload a video later about my account blown. You know, I've taken this video a few days ago, to be honest. And I have a beautiful time, guys. This is my Apex discount code. I will hold. If I would hold my position, I will close here because it looks like a bear flag. Everyone has different ideas, and I love that shit. I love that shit, guys. Have a beautiful weekend, guys. Enjoy your time in family. That's very important. Keep it up, guys.